We can also add an eyewear to the character. So that is like glasses that the characters can wear. To add that in, we can go to eyewear right over here, and there's different eyewears that we can select from, as you can see. So you can simply go over here. Let's say, for example, I want to add in this musician eyewear. So if I were to click on this, you can see that the eyewear has been added right over here. You want to go for an artist look, you can go for this one. There's like classic look and so forth. So different type of eyewears are available, as you can see right here. Even goggles, as you can see right here, to make it seem as if the character is swimming. You can also go over here on to fashionista eyewear right over here, just like that. Like any other object right over here, like any other object, you can go over here and change out the eyewear as well. So you can go over here, arrange out the size of the eyewear, bring this down, as you can see right here, even work it symmetrically right over here to change out the shape and size of the eyewear, just like this, as you can see. So depending on what you want, you can change the style of the glasses right over here, just like that as well. So that is how you can work around with eyewear inside of Adobe Fuse. So if I would want to delete the eyewear, so in my case, I don't want the eyewear, so I'm just going to select the eyewear until you get the blue outline and delete this out. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.